Hi guys. Okay, today is the evolution of the flower garden. I guess it's a purple flower garden today. We are using some mica powders. I'm going to show you guys how I actually mix it. We use GAC 800 by Golden for my pouring medium. And now I have been trying new camera angles to see if I can help you guys see better. Obviously, this camera angle has much to be desired, so I do apologize for that. But I pour in the GAC 800 first, so none of the powder sticks to the bottom of the cup. And it just helps it, you know, work a lot better. And then we stir and stir and stir a lot, and pretty much until your hands hurt. And you do get air bubbles, so sometimes what I'll do is I will let it sit for a little while, let the air bubbles come out, or else you will find them later showing up in your painting. The air torch does get them out, but sometimes it doesn't get them all out, just to give you a heads up. But I do like the GAC 800 because it just flows nicely, gives it a nice shimmer. There are name brand pigments that people use. I haven't tried the name brand ones yet. I've been happy with these and figure, you know, once I use these up, then I might try them, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, so what I did was, because I'm doing a dark color on my canvas, I went ahead and prepped the edges first, kind of let the paint set in, because it can separate from the canvas, and since my canvas was white, I wanted to make sure that I got the edges real nice and good before I laid down that base color. So the base color we're using is Golden Purple Dark Violet, I believe. I have it in the description, and then also a little bit later here when I pour it. Again, I apologize. There it is, Permanent Violet Dark. I apologize for the camera angle. Again, like I said, I'm working on that, so bear with me. Just trying new things as we video new paintings, so we will get the best, and it will be professional as we go along. Now I mixed up a whole bunch of different purples because I had a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So I put them in this painting, and I will link that down in the description box for you guys, so you can find out what purples I put together to create the special purple. And then we're putting in the mica powders again, put in some Umber because, you know, I want to see what it would look like. This painting, like I said, I put a lot of work into this one, so we did fast forward a lot through this. When I first started editing, the video was 37 minutes long. But I got it down to 9 minutes for you guys. So, just because, you know, I want to give you the details, and, you know, so you guys can, like, cut through the chase and see the important parts. But, this one, you know, I love the technique of pouring it into the tube and then letting it come out and see what happens. You know, it's beautiful. You see all the spirals of the colors and stuff, but I mean, it's fantastic, but then what do you do? So, you know, I was trying to create something, and there was a lot of paint on the canvas, so I had to figure out how to get the paint, you know, I don't know. I was just working with it, you know. So I started blowing to see what would develop, because that's what I do, I guess. And the blowing didn't develop into what I wanted. So once I got done, you know, trying to blow it, and see there was a huge amount of umber in there, like right in the middle, and so I was like, okay, nope, that's not gonna work. So I poured it off and then I blew some more, and I'm like, okay, that's not doing what I want. So then I poured it off, and I'm like, okay, so let's try doing this again, but with a little less paint this time. And now what's ending up happening is I'm using up the end of my pigments that I had mixed up. So now I have these little swipe thingies, awesome cells going on, but you know, I blow it out because that's what I do. And I'm like, okay, not really liking it again. So I pull out the good old trusty balloon, and I'm like, okay, let's see what we can do here. Now, whenever you use a balloon, you should wipe it off on the paper towel. And because I was trying to cut down time, I didn't, you know, I cut that out of the video. So make sure you wipe your balloon off, or else you will muddy the paint, okay? But I did a lot of balloon kisses, people, a lot. Now this actually isn't a balloon, it's a glove that I blew up. I put some water in it to put some weight to it a little bit, and it has done me well. It ended up giving me a very, very good painting. I'm very happy with it. So here we go. We're going to do one more. I think we got it. And here's the wet reveal. I was finally happy with the painting. Normally when I end up having to go through all this work, I end up not liking it, and I end up trashing the canvas. Not really trashing it, but you know, it's like, I don't like it. But I'm very happy with this. It ended up turning out. But what's interesting is the wet reveal ends up looking very, very different than the actual final, which is right here. It ended up, you know, getting pretty dark. We still have the light, but I'm thrilled with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.